A rare and incredible opportunity to own this slice of paradise. Set behind 14T, a quality-crafted mid-century home offering panoramic, one-of-a-kind views of Orchard Ridge Golf Course. The sunroom and wraparound deck offer a great place to observe and admire the course's beauty at any season. The split-level floor plan boasts over 3,400 finished square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 living spaces, a formal dining room, and an office. The perfectly preserved 70s charm is to be appreciated. Honing in on the details, the grand double-door entry, floor-to-ceiling brick detail surrounding a gas log fireplace, vaulted ceilings treated with gorgeous stained beams, and south-facing wall of windows are sure to impress. The galley kitchen has it all, even a built-in bar. Every space in this home offers a little something extra, whether it be a custom detail, extra room for comfortability, or exceptional closet space. The primary bedroom features 2 closets and a large ensuite bathroom. The 2 secondary bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath, and the lower level of the home was recently updated with luxury planking, Spanish lace ceilings, recessed can lights, and so much more. This is one you don't want to miss. Call Dana Botteren to find your way home.